Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk you through how to set up pattern on Opay. Now, first thing you do is open up your Opay app, tap on the Me account at the bottom here, tap on the Get account at the top right corner, then you go to login settings, tap on it, and then you can see the pattern, login with pattern. So if it's turned off, you turn it on. Now when you turn it on like this, you'll be asked to put in, I've already done it before, that's why it says like this. Actually, if you haven't done it before, you'll be asked to put in the pattern, connect the dots, for at least 4 dots to create your pattern, and then when you do that the first time, you'll be asked to confirm by doing it again, withdraw the pattern, and once you've done that, that's it. You've set up pattern. So now you can log in with your pattern. It's as simple as that. Now you can decide also to show your pattern track, turn it on or turn it off so it will show. So hope you found the video helpful on how to log in, how to set up pattern for login on Opay app.